There's 2 lights on the dash? Okay. Let's try something stupid. It has no gas, so... Hey guys, welcome back. I got a fun plan for today. I was really impressed with just how many of the, switches and lights worked. But then I got to thinking, well gee, I wonder if more of them work and the fuses are just bad. I mean, this thing is so old after all, I wouldn't be surprised. So, in order to see if we can get more life out of the car, maybe get the horn to work, maybe, I bought some new fuse blocks. So we can replace the nasty fuses in this thing, with modern blade fuses, because these use those stupid, in between glass and blade. I hate that standard. I forget what it's called. So let's try swapping them out and see if we can breathe some more life back into this thing. These are some of the cheapest, nastiest fuse blocks I could have gotten, but that's exactly what kind of project this is. The kind where I don't really care. And even though those are cheap junk, I kind of have more confidence in them as opposed to this thing. Because, yeah, it's cool, but, ew, look at those. Those are gross. We interrupt this broadcast with an important message. Hey guys, it's me again. I got some updates for you. I'm gonna be putting out some shorts lately that I'm really proud of. They're super cool. And I know. Not everyone likes shorts. I get it. I'm asking you. I'm just try them out, okay? I don't really care too much with the format, but it's popular, so might as well try. So, cool shorts next week or so, next 2 weeks. Really excited for them. Please check it out. I'd be very happy. Or just, at the very minimum, keep an open mind. Now, as for the fuse video, okay, I'll spoil it. I'll be completely honest with you. No, it doesn't work. No, I don't know why it doesn't work. And I didn't expect it to work, and the rest of this video is a complete waste of time. I shouldn't have even made it, but I did, and it's on my schedule now, so it got uploaded. I mean, if you want to stop watching it here, I get that, but if you don't, well, here's the rest of it. So what do white fuses mean again? I don't know. And this thing has some sort of hot rod kill switch bullshit going on, too. I don't know what that does. It's gonna be, fuses, 16 fuses at 8 amps. Okay, well, I don't have any of those. I just redid my electrical box, so luckily I know where all my fuses are. Maybe. Alright, so I just checked, and I don't have any 8 amp fuses, because who the hell has an 8 amp fuse these days? Yeah, that's stupid. But I do have 10 amp fuses. And those are, I don't know, slightly... I mean, it's a bit too much, but I imagine most of the electronics can handle an extra 2 amp load. Who cares, right? This fuse box is slightly larger, because I think I might want to upgrade to some more lights in the front. And it wouldn't hurt to have some extra peripherals. So it doesn't fit, but that's okay, because I didn't think it was going to. Looks like someone beat me to it, and had already swapped a few out with 10 amp fuses. We'll see how well this works or not. Why is the clutch pedal stuck in? Oh, it's just rusty. Alright, let's see if that does anything new. Oh no, the key just broke on this one. God damn it, no! Oh, that must be my fault. God. That's a long saga if you were unaware. On position. Light in. No? Alright, let's go to start. Something clicked behind the dashboard. No extra lights. That's a bummer. I know that was more anticlimactic than I would have liked to have made. And if I did break it by using a 10 amp fuse as opposed to an 8, let me know. I feel like that should be within the margin of safety, but beats me. Or maybe, just as a long shot, maybe it was that random switch in the engine bay is a kill switch. It's not impossible, but definitely wouldn't count on it. Oh, hold on. There's a light coming on behind the radio. Either way, sorry for the comeback. Let me know what y'all think.